the number one sign that you will receive your deepest desires in this special Law of Attraction video. Hello everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. And you know, it's amazing. It's absolutely astonishing that the majority of people don't realize that the universe is set up to give you whatever you desire. You know, in ancient times, they used to ask themselves, what is the center of the universe? And if you go to Jerusalem, you go to a special place, there's a little black rock on a stand, and it has a equal arm cross on it. And that is supposed to be the center of the earth, which is, of course, the center of the universe. At least that's what they thought when they carved out the black rock. Here's the real truth. You are the center of the universe. Wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, whatever you're feeling, you are the center. Everything revolves around you and through you. You see, you are a microcosm of the macrocosm. That means the macrocosm is out here, and you are here, and you reflect it perfectly. So think about this. The universe wants to give me everything I desire. Oh yeah, say that. The universe wants to give me everything that I desire. But, what happens? As we get older, as we grow up, we start learning limiting beliefs, doubts and fears, anger, pain. All of these kinds of emotional states are ways of blocking the reception of good things into your life from the universe. In other words, the universe is sitting there, I am giving this person everything they desire, but you're blocking it. No. Why? Because you doubt it. Because you fear it. Because you have negative vibrations that are not in alignment with it. So understand this. What you deeply desire is yours. It's already present. You don't have to wait for it. You don't have to call for it. It's here right now. The universe has incredible, astonishing good things coming into your life. Accept it and believe it and be clear about what it looks like, what it feels like, especially the feeling part. You know, the looking part is great, but the feeling part is so much more powerful. And the universe reads those feelings with so much more ease. So really get in touch with what it feels like to have what you deeply desire. Now, I know many of you, if you're like me and everyone else on this planet, you have things that you deeply desire and you wonder, is it going to happen? Will it ever happen in my life? And in this video, we're going to show you how to receive an incredible sign from the universe. So understand this. I don't know what it is that you desire. You know, love, prosperity, happiness, contentment, health, relationship, money. You know, you can have anything you desire because the universe is infinite and it is set up. It's actually designed to give you what you desire. Are you ready right now, in the next 24 hours, to receive a sign from the universe? I am placing my intentions that you receive an incredible sign from the universe. I want you to join me. Simply say, my intention is that I am receiving an incredible sign from the universe, from infinite light, from God, however you define reality, however you define the infinite. I am receiving an incredible sign in the next 24 hours. Now, here's what's going to happen. In the next 24 hours after watching this video, you're going to receive a sign that what you desire, that what you have been hoping for and praying for and everything else is coming into your life. You're going to receive an incredible sign. I don't know what the sign is going to be. I can't even begin to tell you. All I know is that when I was kind of struggling with whether something would ever happen, and I was on the verge of maybe giving up, I saw two beautiful, incredible eagles flying in the sky. Oh, that was a sign that I will never, ever forget. And the eagles were not out in the wilderness. They were in a kind of a populated area. I've been blessed with receiving signs, and you're going to receive a sign in the next 24 hours. It is my intention. I'm placing that intention right now. And then after you receive the sign that what you desire is coming and flowing into your life, you're going to post it right down here. You're going to share it with everyone. I received my sign, and you're going to embellish it. You're going to hold on to it. You know, so many times people receive signs and then they begin to doubt immediately after the sign. Well, I saw a sign. Robert, and they'll type me or call me. I saw a sign. I don't know if it's true or not. You see what I'm saying? You begin to stop that flow of energy flowing into your life from the universe, giving you what you deeply desire. That's what you're doing. And you're not doing that anymore, right? Okay, from this moment on, you're giving up the past and you're moving forward. So ask for the sign. Put your intention. And in the next 24 hours, you're going to receive a sign. It may be small, it may be minuscule, or it may be gigantic. I don't know. But once you receive the sign, you are going to give some gratitude. You're simply going to say, thank you. Thank you. I've received your sign. I'm so grateful. That's so important to have that moment of gratitude because it cements the communication between you and the infinite field of potential. And that cemented communication is what you deeply desire and need to manifest anything you desire in your life. Now, good things are coming to you. Astonishing things are coming to you. You are soaring high like a beautiful eagle. I'm excited for you. And post it right down below. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you. Have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.